What's included in a full-service local move in Boston? Moving in Boston isn't just about lifting boxes. It's about navigating historic brownstones, narrow streets, and strict parking rules. That's where experience matters. Better Life Moving specializes in affordable, full-service local moves across Boston, Massachusetts, handling every detail so your relocation is smooth, safe, and stress-free. In this video, you'll discover exactly what's included in your move, optional add-ons like packing and storage, how our transparent hourly pricing works, our licensing, insurance, and safety standards, and expert tips to make your moving day perfect. Standard services and AMP. Optional add-ons with Better Life Moving. Your hourly rate includes everything essential: protective materials, moving blankets, stretch wrap, and tape to keep your belongings safe. Transportation costs, including fuel and navigating Boston traffic. A 2-hour minimum service, including travel time. And 0 hidden fees. What you see is what you pay. What's not included? Packing supplies like boxes, bubble wrap, or packing paper, available for separate purchase. And services without truck transport, like moving items within the same building. Want extra help? Add-on, full or partial packing services, furniture disassembly and reassembly, short or long-term storage solutions, perfect if your new place isn't ready yet. Licensed, insured, and trusted in Boston. Your safety and peace of mind come first. Better Life Moving is fully licensed and insured, compliant with Massachusetts DPU regulations. We carry cargo and liability insurance, plus workers' compensation for every crew member. You can verify us on the Massachusetts DPU Registry and the Better Business Bureau. Boston residents consistently rate us for punctual, professional crews, careful handling of fragile items, honest, upfront pricing, no surprises, and friendly, stress-free service that makes moving feel easy. Pro tips plus what to expect on moving day. Want the smoothest move possible? Here's how. Book early, especially if you're moving in late summer. Prepare a detailed inventory list. Label every box by room and contents. Reserve parking permits through Boston Public Works. We can help. And notify us in advance about fragile or oversized items. On moving day, here's what happens. Our team arrives on time and reviews your plan. Items are carefully packed, loaded, and secured. We navigate Boston streets with safety in mind. At your new home, we unload and place items exactly where you want them. And we do a final walkthrough to make sure you're 100% satisfied. Why choose Better Life Moving? Your Boston moving partner. When you choose Better Life Moving, you're not just hiring movers, you're choosing peace of mind. We are a locally owned, fully licensed, and insured Boston moving company that treats your home like our own. We believe in transparent pricing. This means no gimmicks or hidden fees. You receive a clear estimate up front, allowing you to budget without surprises. Our flexible add-ons ensure that you can customize your moving experience based on your needs. Whether you need packing services or special handling for fragile items, we can accommodate you. Our team is dedicated to providing a stress-free moving experience. We understand that moving can be overwhelming, so we ensure every detail is taken care of. From the moment you contact us to the final placement of your belongings, we are here to support you every step of the way. With real Boston expertise, our movers know the area inside and out. We are familiar with the best routes, parking regulations, and building requirements unique to Boston. This local knowledge allows us to navigate the city efficiently, ensuring your move is smooth and on time. So whether you are relocating across the street or across the city, know that Better Life Moving has you covered with reliable service and a commitment to making your move better.